Hey YouTube, it's been a while. A lot of new stuff has been happening, busy with working, going back to school, finishing my master's, cybersecurity, and mixing it up with some IT security, and all that kind of fun stuff. There's not much new that's been added to my little rack and my pile of IT stuff. These two R610s, 20s, you guys can see here. They've been both stripped out. All they do have is Intel Xeon E5, 2.0 gigahertz octa-cores, I think. I have these off right now because I'm still trying to test things out, and I had these on for 2 months. I was crypto mining with CPU and Tenscoin. These two mined almost 5,000 plus in a month, so that's a little thing for you guys. They use approximately around 120 watts for each, so the ROI is very good. Other than that, network is still the same. We have our demilitarized zone lab set up on a DMZ, isolated network, VPN to my buddy Virtual Olivia. This is my primary home network. People ask me how I like this. I really like the Unify system. As you can see, I have the Unify system for the core, and then I have, this is for all the access points. There's 3 of them. So there's one downstairs, another one in a downstairs area, and this is upstairs office. Actually, sorry, flip it around. Upstairs, downstairs, and then this one here is actually, I'm forcing PoE on this one. This is actually the standard PoE Plus that comes with the new AP. These are the older AC models. I do have an LACP trunk. It is 1 gigabit per each SFP LACP, and they are trunked. I am trying to set up VLANs for my home network. Trying to put the Wi-Fi on a small /27 subnet, just to have enough, like around 30 some IP addresses, or maybe even less, depending on how I set it up. So I do use the fiber, and it's not bent, so you don't have to worry about it, just curved around. So patch panel hides all the nice mess, keeps it nice and clean. If you guys notice, I'm much more of a organized person. I like to keep things clean. This is my PowerBelt MD1120. I got this for a steal off of eBay. Literally paid almost 190 bucks with the 2 controllers, 2 power supplies, and all these caddies you see here. Literally, the guy really did not know what he was selling. So off to a new update for a new project. We are working on a bunch of these. I bought these off of Amazon. We are going to build a storage server for all my media for Plex, and we're going to DAS it off of a dual compellent, which I have over here, but this one is a non-production one. This is just a chassis with no controller, and this is a damaged chassis for a different one. So that is a little project I'm working on. I'm starting off with 5 8TB drives. I have one more coming in to make it 6, so I'll be around 30-ish terabytes usable. Off onto this back side. Still the same. Yeah, ignore that. That just, I sliced the cables and I messed it up. Oh well, a little bit of so yeah, I pretty much gutted all these out. The parts are laying on the shelf. 1 power supply per each, and the efficiency room is platinum. Network, and then iDRAC for temperature monitoring. They were crypto mining for 2 months straight. I turned them off because I want to see the difference on the power bill for this month. These 2 servers don't pull much power. These are titanium rated power supplies, not platinum, so they don't really pull much. They're 90-ish percent efficiency. I had people ask about my UMA. So as you can see, there is the analog, and then there's the RJ45 that is going to my switch, and this goes into the home network distribution panel, which is right there. So there's three phones that are plugged up. This is a very old patch panel. Never replaced it. It's Cat 5, but in the house I have all 1 gig, sorry, 1 gigabit for all the computers, Wi-Fi. It does run through here, so there's no need to upgrade that. Back to here. This UMA plugs into here. Right over here. So as you can see, on port 41, I have QoS enabled and specific voice quality of service for that one, so the UMA service doesn't get stuttery, and it works very well. And I upgraded my internet service. As you guys remember, before it was only 100 megabits down and 20-ish up, and that's for Comcast Business. I could do the gig Ethernet, but I would love to have my static IPs. So right now I have around 330 down, and they're almost around 3540 up. So that's very good. Can't complain. So, but yeah, that's the overall gist of the whole update today. And stay tuned. I will be doing videos on building the new storage cluster that will sit probably around this area, here, and this will be using a LSI non-RAID HBA card. So I will be passing through all the drives that will be in the DAS unit, for example this one. So if this one has 12 drives or 24, whichever, I will pass them all through as just a bunch of disks to a VM that will have that LSI card assigned to it, and I will do storage level VMware, probably with Windows Server Data Center. That way I can have like a big media vault, because right now I am running my movies off of this one, which this one's my less usable host. I only have like non-critical VMs. This has a 2.9 gigahertz, I think 12 core, dual 12 cores, something like that. It's a 20 E5 29 or 26 series. Can't remember, but I know it's 2.9 gigahertz. So, but yeah, there's a little update for you guys, and stay tuned, and subscribe, like, share the video, and if you have any comments right below, I will reply. See you guys.